Good morning, YouTube followers. Been a while. Quick video here just to introduce Mechanizd.com. It's a domain that I own, and I'm using it to develop AI apps. Okay, so Mechanizd.com is going to be my AI startup or AI personal development projects or AI learning forum. That's all it is. There's 4 particular apps that I've been working on over the summer. I'm going to show you very quickly what's going on, but I'm going to go into more detail in each of these apps in later videos. That's my plan. Number 1 app I'm going to show you is Spring AI. Okay, Spring AI learning project. You can see this is a chat bot that is designed to use the features of Spring AI and demonstrate connecting to the OpenAI API, developing RAG applications, output parsing, getting right into functions. And functions are sort of interesting, more advanced features of AI applications. So we can go onto this app and we can interact with the OpenAI API and chat with it. Like I say, I'm going to go through these features at a later date, but for now, that's what we have. App number 1, Spring AI. Demonstration of the technologies. App number 2, Python. Of course, Python, when you think of AI and you think of some of the things that are going on in the internet, Python is number 1 in most people's minds. With this app, I'm going to be connecting to using Python code and connecting to the same APIs again, and just experimenting with LangChain and Crew AI and finding out what it can do. Here we're just connecting and having some fun, and the nice thing about the Mechanizd.com is that it's deployed on Vercel. Okay, Vercel is an application platform designed for JavaScript, okay, and in particular the Next.js language. But the great thing about it is it's free to host apps, and I can host my Spring Java apps on there because they're full stack. You can also host Python as long as it's sort of serverless Python, okay, and running as a service. But really what it's designed for is hosting, actually, you know what, I've made a quick mistake. The Spring AI app is hosted on Azure, okay? Actually, that's right. On Vercel, you can only host applications that are sort of running in a serverless context, okay? And that's sort of how this Next.js application works and is running. Which is pretty interesting. The exciting thing about Next.js is that some of the applications that you can develop with the technology are fabulous on the GUI side. They look stunning. So if I click this button and I ask ChatGPT, what's the price of Dodge right now, I get back a little bit more than just text. I get this fabulous image, this chart. And this is the type of thing I want to expand on. Okay, so Mechanizd.com, hosted on Vercel. It's made for Next.js. You can deploy a serverless Python application if you want. This isn't. This is a little bit limited, but like I say, it's free. My Spring AI application is hosted on Azure. Put a link here to my Numeri machine learning contest. We're going to click on that in a future video and show you what that's all about. If you happen to go to Mechanizd.com, you can take a look at this app and see what's up. So listen, I think that's it. I wanted to make this video to introduce the site. I'm planning to make future videos as I go through in more detail, as I build this up sort of in public. My goal is to build the Mechanizd.com website, the Mechanizd.com AI suite of tools in public, and document what I'm doing on YouTube and making it public. So that's it. I'll post a few links in the description, just to my personal website, to this website, and to a few of the things that I'm doing, just in terms of, a link to my community. If you want to work with me in person on this application, there'll be a link there, and just also some links if you want to help support me, because doing this development and hosting these apps costs money. So I think that's it for today. Thank you for making it all the way to this stage, and we'll be in touch.